to Creative Guy.
When you finish your salad, do you just chuck your vegetable scraps? Well, no. You can use them to plant other lettuce in like this. So then what you can do is you can put it in water and it will turn into a plant. Put it in water like this for a few days till it got roots and then put it in soil. 1 week later, this is getting a new leaves. And it's only got 1 root. Then we'll replace the water. I'm adding every 2 days. I'm adding fresh water and we're looking out for some more roots. Once the roots have grown, it's time to plant them in soil. This one has grown quite good. This one, not really. It's only got 2 little roots, but it'll still work. Now I'm gonna plant it in soil. Oh. And plant this one in soil. Water them daily. And what I've got my own jug containers. You have to put little holes through them to drain out the water. Watch how they grow. After a few weeks, it's starting to look like this. And then you can see loads and loads of roots. That's when you know for it to replanting. After a month or so, your lettuce can look like this, really tasty. I grew lettuce and celery, but you can grow potatoes, onion and garlic, leeks, celery, fennel, cabbage and herbs. It's an easy, free way to grow your vegetables. Like and subscribe.